Welcome you all to Bishop Academy online classes. Myself Vivi Gupta. Today I am here with subject mathematics for class 6, chapter 4 integer. In this chapter, dear student, you have to study today multiplication of integers. In multiplication of integers, first of all, let us understand few properties of multiplication. First property है given commutative law. Dear student, whenever you have to multiply two or more integers in any order, your product will be same. So you are taking 2, 1, 2 multiply minus 3 is equal to minus 3 multiply 2. So you see that here taking 2 integers 2 and minus 3, you multiply here 2 multiply minus 3 or minus 3 multiply 2, changing the order. So your result will be same, what? Minus 6. So this property of integers under multiplication is called commutative law of multiplication. Next property is closure property here. Closure property means whenever you find the product of two integers, the product is also an integer. So take, suppose that 2 and minus 3 are two integers. When you multiply and get the product, you see minus 6. Minus 6 is also an integer. 2 is integer, minus 3 is integer, and product of 2 and minus 3 is also an integer, minus 6. So this example is to understand closure property. See the next one, associative law or associative property of multiplication. Dear student, if we take 3 integers and multiply them, changing the order like this. If you take 2 minus 3 and 1, here 2 minus 3 1 are 3 integers. So if you multiply minus 3 with 1, your product will be minus 3, and when you multiply minus 3 with 2, your result is minus 6. So here on the left you get minus 6, and see if you change the order. If you take the product of minus 3 and 2 first, and then you multiply this product with 1, so your product is minus 6. Whenever we find the product of 3 integers, changing the orders like this, we find the same product as on the left side you can see, same on the right side. So dear student, once again you can understand for commutative law, if A and B are two integers, so A multiply B is equal to B multiply A. A और B दो integers हैं, so A multiply B is equal to B multiply A. This is showing commutative law of multiplication. And here, if A and B are two integers, the product of A and B is equal to AB is also an integer. तो इस तरह से ये एग्जाम्पल शो करता है क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को. और यहाँ पर जो आप देख रहे हैं, इन शॉर्टकट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इफ A, B and C, A, B and C अगर तीन इंटीजर्स आप लेते हैं तो A multiply B multiply C will be equal to A multiply B multiply C. तो इस तरह से अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है तो ये कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी इंडिकेट कर रहा है? ये जो है प्रॉपर्टी इंडिकेट कर रहा है एसोसिएटिव लॉ और एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Dear student, let us understand now the distributive law or distributive property. Distributive property is in two parts. Distributive property of multiplication under addition. Second part, distributive property of multiplication under subtraction. See here, understand what do you mean by distributive law of multiplication under addition. Dear student, if a and b and c are three integers, so for a, b and c, for integers a, b and c, you can write a multiply b plus c will be equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. A multiply bracket b plus c will be equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. On both sides, on the left side and on the right side, on both sides your product will be same. Taking one example, in the place of a, suppose that here -1 multiply here 2, here 3. Here -1 multiply 2 plus here -1 multiply 3. a के प्लेस में -1 रखा, b के प्लेस में 2, c के प्लेस में 3, तो इधर भी a b c के प्लेस में वही रखा जाएगा -1 2 3. आप रिजल्ट देखिए, रिजल्ट देखेंगे तो आपको 2 3 6 और -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -6 इधर आएगा और इधर होगा प्रोडक्ट -2 और इधर प्रोडक्ट होगा -3 to 5. Sorry, on the left side the product is -5 and here the product of -1 with 2 is equal to -2 and here the product is equal to -3. When you add, you find that this is also equal to -5. So -5 on the right side and -5 on the left side. Means to say a multiply b plus c is equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c is proved using -1, 2 and 3, the integers in the place of a, b and c. Now see distributive property of multiplication under subtraction. Similarly, for integers a, b and c, you can write a multiply in bracket b minus c is equal to ab, means a multiply b minus a multiply c. A multiply in bracket b minus c is equal to a multiply b minus a multiply c. So you understood well about distributive law or distributive property of multiplication. Dear student, this property is very important to simplification, for simplification of multiplication. Fact, you will see in the next example how to use distributive law. Dear student, let us see here. Simplify 8 multiply -13 plus 8 multiply 9. So let us simplify. You can see that 8 is common multiply here. 8 से यहाँ multiply है और plus 8 से यहाँ भी multiply है. तो जैसा कि आपने जो है अभी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ में देखा था कि a multiply b plus a multiply c is equal to a multiply ब्रैकेट में b plus c. तो वैसे यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं 8 multiply ब्रैकेट के अंदर -30 और प्लस 9. तो यहाँ कौन सा अप्लाई हुआ? यहाँ अप्लाई हुआ सिंस a multiply b plus a multiply c is equal to a multiply ब्रैकेट में b plus c. सेम यही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ जो आपको बताया गया है पीछे, वही यूज किया गया है. a multiply b प्लस a multiply c के फॉर्म में. a के प्लेस में 8 है, यहाँ भी a के प्लेस में 8 है. तो इसका हम कैसे लिखेंगे? a multiply ब्रैकेट में b plus c, तो b के प्लेस में -30 और c के प्लेस में 9. अब यहाँ रिजल्ट आप लेंगे 8 मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पर आपको रिजल्ट मिलने वाला है -4 बिग ब्रैकेट के अंदर और दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई find. See, minus 12 multiply 9 is equal to, 12 right here, 108, right here 108, and you know that product of positive and negative is always negative. एक negative एक positive है, तो product यहाँ पर negative होगा. दूसरा देखते हैं, -2 multiply 3 multiply -4 है, तो यहाँ पर हम प्रोडक्ट लेंगे. -2 और 3 के साथ कितना हो जाएगा, -6 हो जाएगा. फिर -6 के साथ हम -4 का प्रोडक्ट ले लेंगे, तो कितना हो जाएगा, +24. Dear student, you know that product of negative and negative is positive, means product of two negative integers is always positive. तो -2 और 3 का प्रोडक्ट किया, -6 आ गया. अब -6 के साथ हम -4 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे और ऐसे आपको मिलेगा +24. So that's it in this video. We will meet again